Today, we're going to be talking about microscopes. This is a microscope, expertly drawn by me. Right, and we're going to be using this sheet here. So first of all, we're going to label the telescope, the microscope, and we're going to say what each bit does, okay? So this is called the eyepiece lens. Eyepiece lens. The eyepiece lens is normally times 10 magnification. You can't really remove the eyepiece. It's stuck in there. Okay? Then down here, this makes up the body of the microscope. But of note is this bit is called the nose piece. The nose piece can revolve. Sometimes it's called the revolving nose piece. Okay? And on the revolving nose piece, there are objective lenses. There are three types of objective lens. There is a times 4, a times 10, and a times 40. Okay, so you can change the magnification. Over here, this bit here is called the arm. The two knobs on the side are for focusing. Focusing moves the stage up and down. Okay, the big one is the coarse focus, and the smaller knob is the fine focus. The coarse focus allows you to adjust the focus in large amounts, and the fine focus allows you to adjust the focus in small amounts. So normally you get pretty close to the image or the focus with the coarse focus, and then you do small changes with the fine focus to bring the image into perfect focus. Okay? This bit here is called the stage. Right? And on the stage there are clips. And those clips hold the slides in place. Down the bottom here we have the base. And in the base we've got the light and something called the condenser. The light provides light and the condenser focuses the light. It goes up through the stage, there's a little hole in the stage, and then gets taken in by the objective lens and then goes up to the eyepiece and into your eye. Okay? And the base just provides stability. All good? Any questions about that?